Hello guys, welcome back to Pinoy Planet. Today I'm making a Mac style chicken. So let's start. Okay, so let's start with the chicken legs. I will marinate them, but the marinade is going to be very simple. I'm going to use some suka, vinegar, and also patis or fish sauce. Okay, so I will start with adding some patis or fish sauce. And also some vinegar, guys, not too much. Okay, so I will just rub this in, and I'm gonna leave the chicken for let's say 30 minutes or so. Okay, so the chicken is here in the marinade, guys, and I'm gonna chop up some sibuyas and bawang. Okay, I chopped the onions and garlic. The pan is getting warm, so now I'm just gonna add these to the water. I will also add some asin, some salt. I'm using a sea salt, and some crushed black pepper. Peppercorns. Okay, so now I will add the chicken, and then I'll bring it to a soft boil, so medium heat, and I'm gonna cook it for 15 minutes. Okay guys, while the chicken is boiling, I'm gonna slice up some potatoes, these Dutch potatoes, for making French fries. Dutch potatoes for French fries. So not sure if it makes sense, guys, but I'm using Dutch potatoes for French fries in a Filipino meal. Leave your comments. Guys, so many potatoes to cut. In the meantime, I see the chicken is ready. So it has been 15 minutes, so I'm going to take it out. Okay, so I'm gonna put them on a plate. And then I will let them cool off completely and get dry before we will fry them. Okay, so we'll let the chicken cool off here. And in the meantime, I will finish chopping the potatoes, and I put them in a bowl of water. So that's almost done. So they're almost done, guys. I'm gonna leave this in the water for a while. There were a lot more potatoes than I initially thought. so done with cutting the potatoes. I'm gonna turn this water into a nice gravy, and when we're done with that, I'm gonna fry the chicken. See you later, guys. All I'm doing for the gravy, guys, is the following. I'm using 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 3 tablespoons of sugar. I removed the onion and the garlic, and I tasted it, and it needs a little bit more saltiness. So I'm gonna add also half a cube of chicken stock, and then we will thicken it up, and that's it. That will be our gravy for the manok. The oil is hot, guys. It's ready to fry the manok. So I took the moist off, they're cooled off also, and I removed the peppercorns. So now let's give it a try. Time to flip them over, guys. Wow, look at that. Poggy! Look, guys, there's Poggy on the roof. Poggy! I flipped them over a few more times, guys, so now they're ready. They look really nice. Gonna take them out, and then we're gonna fry the fries. French fries are almost done, so let's do the plating with French fries and chicken. Guys, the max chicken tastes so good, and the fries combination, masarap, sobrang masarap. If you like to see more Filipino food, then please subscribe to Pinoy Planet, and looking forward to seeing you next time, guys. Of course, with more Filipino food.